Yes guys, so here we are, next day, onwards and upwards. PW, Turbo and Wakta is about to strip this Golf. Bam, that one right there. So we're about to strip this Golf, get all the parts off, and then I've actually been online yesterday looking at a few stuff. I have sourced some parts, grey colour. Not too sure if it's going to be this grey or not, but we'll soon find out, because the main thing is getting this car stripped up, find out what's the issues, what's the underlying problems with it, why isn't there no water in the system. Yeah, let's check it all out, see what we can do with it. A bit of a hyperlapse to come. Turbo's already ready, he's pulling the tools and that out. You smashed it, Turbo. He's pulling the tools and everything out. So yeah, let's crack on, let's get these things off. I'll probably talk to you as I'm going along. I'll get Turbo to do a little quick video. Obviously it is best if there was somebody else here as well, but obviously not. But yeah, I'll get Turbo to do a little quick videos while I'm going along and I'm stripping things and I'm checking things out, just to keep you guys up to date of what we're doing. A new project, GTI Mark 6 DSG. Now, sorry, there's another thing. I've got a feeling there's a edition in these Mark 6 Golfs called 227 Pirelli edition. Now when I stuck it into the insurance, because I decided to put it up onto my insurance, when I stuck it into a database and everything, it was coming up as that, but everywhere else was saying it's just a Mark 6 Golf GTI DSG Sport, whatever. Hey ho, until the car's not on road, we're not driving it, I'll probably tell the difference between 210 and 225. I've had Coopers and that in the past, so I should be able to tell the difference in it. But anyway, I don't know, let's see. Gotta strip this car, man, it's gotta be a mission. Another backbreaker. Anyway, see you in a bit, peace. Check out this straightened out bonnet that I've just done. All I've literally done is I put it on the floor, got Turbo to stand on one side, and I pushed this all out. I'll show you how. Let's drop it down. Turbo, oh, something going on over there in that corner. Put your foot there again. Bam. And all I've done was this. But to be honest with you, we're not going to be using this bonnet anyway. But just in case, I'm sure we can stick it back on a little bit. It's not bent as much as it was. Oh fuck's sake, there goes my glove. Anyway, so we've done that. So for the bonnet, there's a couple of these bolts. There's these running through. Now make sure when you're taking them off, there's these little clips on here. You push them out and it comes out. That's for the jet. Okay. Let's drop that down. I don't think there's a problem with the hinges. That is a little bit. Oh, look on that. Right, you've got what, just about 2 fingers there. Just a bit more. Maybe a little bit of a. Huh? 2 fingers. There we go. 2 fingers it is. Right, so now we're going to strip all of this off. Going to get this bumper off. So let's get rid of all of this. Obviously this is all damaged. This is damaged. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. It seems like this bumper has been changed, because if you look on here, there's a red underneath. So this bumper in the past has been changed. Now if you give it to the body shop to do, you wouldn't have knew that, but because we're doing it ourselves, we know what I want. Right, Turbo?
Yep.
Stop being a cameraman now, mate. Let's get this off, but we'll see in a bit.
In a bit.
You recording, mate?
Yep. Where we got to?
Right, so story is pretty bleak at the moment. The reason for being a bit bleak is because obviously this is being pushed back. So we're taking the filter off. It's being pushed off. We've taken the bumper off. And the bumper, I don't think any of this reinforcement bar other than here a little bit. I think that will probably come out. Get that out a little bit. Not much going on with that. You can always get that out. It's not too much of an issue. The issue is obviously this is here has had an impact, so it seems like this radiator is gone. But until we don't get all of this front end off, we don't know. So I'm now taking the air filter off. Now I want to get this light off. Get this out of the way. And we'll see where we are. Check it out, guys. No front end. No front end. So that's one piece there. That's the radiator and the AC. And we got down to the bottom of what was broken. And inside here, coming return from the engine, there's a little connector goes into the radiator and that pipe goes into there like that. I'll show you on here. Just there, damaged, so need a new one of them. Also, there was water in the radiator system, so it doesn't seem like that has been damaged, so that's actually a good thing, because there was still water in there. The radiator was doing its job. It's just this was damaged from here, so it was leaking out the water. So we can sort that out and that'll be like an issue. We're going to strip that down in a minute, have a look at exactly what we got and what not. But it's not as straightforward as we thought. The other thing that they've done is this radiator, this AC pipe here is being snapped off. So that normally goes on here and it seems like it's had a weld or something that sits on there. I don't know if we can get that aluminium welded again or not. I have no idea. But because it's a pressure pipe, the best thing to do with it is get this new pipe in. So that's disappointed me a bit. But you know, we've got to do it properly. Thing is, to get to this pipe now, it runs all the way at the back of that, all the way along the back, and it goes in down there. So this is the other one. This is the one of the AC pipes, and the smaller one is that one. So to get to that now, I might have to strip all of this down. It doesn't seem like this car is going anywhere, probably not anywhere anytime soon. So what I'm gonna do is get it covered up. I think let's get these parts to the back so you can see on there. Headlight, that side headlight is damaged. The other side headlight, it needs my boy Nico to come down and probably a little polish up job on that. The bumper's okay, no problems with the bumper, so that's okay. So this little crease here, it's not a crease, it's how it's supposed to be, following that. But then we've got some damage here, got some damage here. So maybe if I can get another wing, I'll get another wing. The other trouble is we've got this quarter that needs to be done. Yeah, in the last video that you've got to check things out and don't blindly buy something. This is why. But we're going to get it finished. It just means that sort of profit margins and that you have to be finishing the cars and, you know, making a bit of money. We're not going to be making as much, but I have to get this car right. So this car is going to be done right properly. If I can get a wing that color, if I can get a bonnet this color. So the main thing I was talking about here was the AC pipe. So I've basically literally I've taken all of these things off here. And see if I can find that pipe. It runs from the back of the engine and it runs around to here. I'm gonna see if I can get that sorted out, get another pipe. Other than that, a few bits and bobs. I checked the radiator and that, everything seemed fine. So for today, as part 1 of repairing the car is complete. Hopefully there's not going to be that many parts of it, but there's a little hyperlapse of what we've been doing. If you've got any questions, give us a shout, and make sure, please guys, if you're watching the video, like, subscribe and share. If you want to know where we got the car from, what we done, how we got it and stuff like that, you can go back in our channel and check it out. There'll be some videos up on there when we went and bought it and when we bought it, how we bought it. Yeah, please subscribe, like and share. Let's get it moving, let's get it kicking. And from PW, Wakta and Turbo, peace out. We are done for today. See you soon. Take care. Shit, man, the day. I need to get inside. Peace. In a bit. Bye.